if you're shopping for a commuter e-bike in 2026, the Monarch Tracer is definitely one that deserves your attention. After looking at the specs and real-world testing, what stands out most is the value. For under $2,000, you're getting a powerful 750-watt motor, smooth torque sensing pedal assist, hydraulic disc brakes, and surprisingly premium components that you don't usually see at this price point. One of the biggest highlights is that Monarch even includes a second battery, which significantly extends your riding range and adds a lot of value to the package. On the road, riders have praised the Tracer for its responsive acceleration, stable handling, and comfortable ride quality. The bike also features a color touchscreen display and supports Class 1, 2, and 3 riding modes, making it versatile for different riding styles. Of course, it's not perfect. The bike only comes in one frame size per model, which may not fit everyone comfortably, and the companion app is still developing. So is the Monarch Tracer worth your money in 2026? For most commuters and casual riders, absolutely. It delivers premium features, impressive performance, and exceptional value for the price. It's easily one of the strongest e-bike contenders in its category this year.